Fancy yourself as a wizard but can't seem to find your invitation to Hogwarts? Well, get yourself one of these amazing Magic Wand remote controls and consider yourself invited. This authentic-looking Magic Wand doubles up as a universal remote that gives you the enchanting power to take control of any television, music center, DVD player, or anything that uses an infrared remote control system, and all with a swish of your wand. The way it works may look like magic, but it's really packed with highly advanced technology. The wand learns the infrared codes that control your gadgets or appliances, and then you can assign them to different gestures that you can make with your wand. For example, rotating the wand to the left or right is the perfect gesture to adjust volume. You could tell it to change channels when you flick the wand up or down, and a big swishing flourish could put your device into standby mode. Alakazam! As it can control any infrared controllable device, you can even use it to turn on your lights, or for an even more dramatic effect, how about impressing your guests by turning on your gas fire with it? This magical remote control can learn up to 13 different codes, letting you go around your house swishing and flicking several devices at once. So feel like a real wizard and get yourself a Magic Wand remote control.
This is the lightest electric skateboard in the world, Starry. You can use it as transportation. Bring it along onto subways, buses, or even car trunks to a further distance. You can ride it to get breakfast or grocery a few blocks away. Never need to worry about parking or locking when entering a restaurant with your board. In fact, you can bring it to anywhere.
I've played all brands of electric skateboard. They are heavy, clumsy, almost losing the real fun of skateboarding.
What we want is a revolution of electro skateboards. So we smash control boxes, threw batteries away, pull bells out, discard old motors, and redesign a brand new ultralight electric skateboard, which is Starry.
To achieve the seemingly impossible task, we had to redesign the motor to have it inside the wheels, as well as putting gearbox and sensor inside. We've designed many versions of remote control only for a better user experience. Instead of the short-lived belts, we use the planetary gears to provide unbelievably strong power. Starry has perfect power system to support high speed up to 20 miles per hour and going uphill on a 30-degree slope.
With the small remote in hand, anyone even with no experience can easily control the board using our braking and accelerating features. Starry is safe and smooth to ride for all users from beginners to experts.
Our technical team has top talents in electric, mechanic, and software engineering.
We want to change young people's way of transportation, and your support is essential for us. Thank you.
This is the Defender, the next generation in personal safety. Defender is the first smart personal protection device that provides immediate defense and automatic alert for safety and medical attention wherever you are. Imagine you or someone you love is in a situation where their safety is threatened. connects to our iPhone or Android app via Bluetooth and features an integrated camera to capture an assailant's picture. Immediately, your location and the photo are sent to the proper authorities. Our 24/7 monitoring service confirms that help is on the way. The small but mighty speaker attracts attention to your situation. Defender includes the highest concentration of pepper spray provided to law enforcement. For self-defense and medical alerts, Defender protects with one push of a button.
You don't leave your house without your keys, wallet, or phone. We designed the Defender to be part of your daily routine. Always on and always with you. Defender is prevention when you need it. We set out to make the world a safer place. Defender bridges the gap between technology and personal safety.
We've been developing Defender for 2 years. We've made great strides with our product design and with our patent-pending technology. We're in the final stages of development, but now we need your help to launch Defender. Helping us reach our goal will allow us to finalize tooling for manufacturing, improve the user experience of our app, and finalize product packaging design. With your help, we can be ready to ship Defender by the end of 2014.
Whether you support us for yourself, for someone you love, or even to help someone you will never meet, please join us by contributing to our campaign. Get product updates and learn more about our mission by following our campaign here on Indiegogo. And together, we will make a difference. Thank you for your support.
Here's a list of stuff from kinda magical to unbelievably magical. Body wash that's also shampoo. Mentos and cola. Things that fly. With your help, the magical is about to get magical-er. Meet Shai, a pilot, an industrial designer, and an inventor. He loves things that fly. He once tried to turn his car into an airplane. No success. Shai always said that his dream was to bring the joy of flight to everyone. A few years ago, he made a breakthrough in the field of cool stuff that flies. He invented the Power Up, the first electric paper airplane. But then a friend of Shai's told him, "Nice gadget, really, but you can't make a remote-controlled paper airplane." Shai took a moment to think and said, "Challenge accepted." 2 years of research and 57 prototypes later, he made it happen. Meet Shai's unbelievably magical invention, Power Up 3, the first ever smartphone-controlled paper airplane. Using state-of-the-art technology, Power Up 3 turns your embarrassing paper plane into a lean, mean flying machine. Just fold a piece of copy paper into a plane, attach Power Up 3 and install the app. Now call your mom and tell her you're a pilot, cause it works out of the box. In the back of the module are a propeller and a rudder that are in charge of controlling the plane. In the front there's an advanced chip with powerful Bluetooth smart technology for an amazing 60 yards of controlled flight and a tiny rechargeable battery to power this amazing beast. Out of juice? Charge the battery with any micro USB cable. As Shai learned in his career as a pilot, planes should be built for flying and for crashing. That's why all components of the Power Up 3 are super durable and crash-proof. But here's where Shai made it really cool. Power Up 3's smart chip is programmed to optimize user happiness. You don't need a PhD in aeronautics to be able to fly it. The prototype is fully functional and the super ultra magical Power Up 3 is ready for production. This is where Shai needs your magic beans. If you help Shai get to 1,400 backers, you'll help him bring the joy of flight to everyone and obtain the privilege to look down on regular paper planes for the rest of your life. So back Power Up 3 and help make the magical, magical-er.